Hey, good morning, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Keeping well? It's going to be another glorious day down here at Holiday Resort Unity. Now, some of you may or may not be aware, but we are literally 15 minutes from the M5 down here in Somerset with some of the best facilities in the southwest. Don't take my word for it. Go online and have a little look. We've got the swimming pools, we've got soft play, we've got theme parks, we've got entertainment, amazing food, gyms, fishing lakes, and we've got the beach literally just across the road. I mean, how much more do you need than that? You can come and get your own little slice of heaven here at Holiday Resort Unity, where you can come and enjoy your holiday home to your heart's content. It's that simple. Now, what do we got going on today? Well, today, people, I thought we'd look at something a little bit luxurious, just to let you have a little look at some of the options we have here at Holiday Resort Unity. Today, we're going to look at the Regal Hartland Lodge. 42 foot long, 14 foot wide, 2-bedroom model, and it's stunning. And do you know what? It's right behind me here. French doors, added bonus always, isn't it? Right, let's go in and have a little look. See, told you it's pure luxury as we walk in. Look at this holiday home. It's stunning. We'll do the lounge area first. So you've got freestanding furniture, ideal. But look, high quality, you can see by the finish. Lovely storage. Light floods through the patio doors and the large windows either side. Beautiful feature fireplace. Place for your TV to be housed, and then I'll swing back around. Look at that kitchen and dining area. Lovely freestanding dining table in the middle, but you can see by the high-end finish. Now, a few of the other added features we've got. Open this up. Look, you've got your very own pantry. I know, it's fabulous. Integrated fridge freezer. Look at that oven. Massive 5 gas ring burner on top. Lovely little range. I mean, it's beautiful. Carrying on through, but look at the cupboards, look at the finish, look at the worktops. I mean, you can just see this is pure luxury. And just a quick look, dishwasher, and of course washing machine with the integrated microwave above. But I mean, look at even the sink, you know, the taps, everything else like that. It's high end, high quality. So come on round, stunning lights above the dining, and of course the Velux window in the kitchen, which lets the light flood through. Wow, if you thought that was great, let's carry on through. First bedroom on the left is your twin. Again, fabulous size, but again, attention to detail. The features on the back wall, the stunning curtains. Great size bedroom, loads of storage. It really is fabulous. Carrying on through to the main bathroom, WC. Again, fabulous storage, sink. Great shower, again, with a feature behind it. You know, they think about all the refinements and the features they can do. And then into the master suite. I am sticking my suite. Look at the bed. Look at the size of this bed. In there, that houses your TV. So you've got pop-up TV in your bed. But again, all the refinements, the fine end finishes with the headboard. Great bedsides. Lovely dressing table. Wardrobe. Seating area, wardrobe, more storage, and of course the full-on suite including shower. As you can see, this is a high-end, well-defined, beautiful holiday home that's been finished to the best of their abilities. And back through into here, and just look at the light flooding, look at the features, look at the high-end finish. It's a stunning, stunning holiday home here. Was I right? Was I right? This is the luxurious Regal Hartland Lodge. 42 foot long, 14 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. The minute you walk in, you're struck with the light that comes flooding down through the Velux window in the kitchen, the lovely range cooker, the pantry, all the white goods, the stunning lounge area with the great big patio doors and the light streams in with all the freestanding furniture. Don't forget that master suite with the TV bed and all the storage, the lovely dressing table and the full-on suite. This really is a high-end luxury holiday home. But holiday homes here start from as little as £19,995. You can get your own little piece of heaven literally 15 minutes from the M5 with some of the best facilities in the southwest. So to find out about that, or even just about holiday home ownership in general, pick up the phone and give me a call. 07493 098 497. I am here to help you with holiday home ownership. Drop me a text, or you can even email me your questions. I really don't mind. roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. And if you want to see more of this face and see what else we've got, you can have a look at my videos on YouTube. Roger the Real Deal Guy. I've got an abundance of holiday homes on there, so you can really see all your different options and what it's like being an owner here at Holiday Resort Unity. So watch me on YouTube, email me, call me, text me, however you want to do it. I am here to assist you. Now, please don't forget, enjoy the rest of your day. And don't forget this one easy thing. It's not a deal, of course it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.